Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on dogs, which I wanted to make a video here. I think for quite obvious reasons, and that is that dogs hasn't performed well in a relatively long period of time. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation here. Can we still expect some sort of a pump? Is dogs dying here? That's also crucial to know, of course. But just in general, what to expect and what's going on. Right, so that's what we'll talk about. Obviously, the markets have been relatively strong here. So then seeing dogs perform like this is not a great thing. And then, there's in general, there's interesting things going on, all right? With dogs in general, and why I still think it's interesting is because of its market maker, all right? And the market situation as well. So its market maker is DWF Labs. They are quite renowned for causing some bullish price action for their coins. So therefore, it's already interesting just to keep an eye on dogs. And then outside of that, what we saw last week in these market circumstances, which overall, even though it hasn't seemed to be the case for dogs, overall the market circumstances are quite bullish here, right? I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at some altcoins have rallied a lot in the last week. So that, even though we haven't seen it with dogs, because dogs at this point of time technically is very, very bearish, even though we haven't seen it, it does increase the chances of getting some sort of a bump. So that's why I do think it's interesting to keep an eye on dogs. Now, having said that, I do want to clarify that at this point of time, dogs is still very bearish. We're seeing major sell-offs. Like yesterday, I still remember looking at the charts, and then all of a sudden, when most coins did not move that much, you saw a big spike down for dogs, right? So if you go to the 15-minute time frame, like these are big sell-offs. These are whales that bought in higher, probably, or farmed a lot of airdrops, but I would doubt it, because nobody got such a big airdrop. I think maybe they're like these big parties that have like compounds full of farming Telegram applications. That's a possibility, but again, I doubt it. I think these are whales selling their bags, causing a lot of bearish pressure. Like if you look at the technicals here, we are very bearish. But it's also, it's also less whales being able to dump the price. So yeah, if you look at the momentum, if you look at the order flow for dogs, you can see that in the last 15 minutes, we got a bit of a bid, because what we are waiting for right now is some sort of open interest spike. Right, so open interest is this. It's basically the amount of open positions. If that starts to rally with a positive CVD, because we've seen rallies before, but there it was mostly short orders being opened. If we see something like that, then we can start talking about a pump and some sort of a breakout. I do think if you look at dogs, like all the different ingredients for some sort of a short squeeze are here, right? So this is not dogs, this is still Bitcoin. Right? Yeah, I think that's still Bitcoin. I'm not sure why it's showing me that. Yeah, come on, guys. What's going on here? Can I just see the liquidation heat map for dogs, please? No, I don't think so. But as far as I remember, you can also see some shorts being opened right here. There is quite a lot of liquidity to the upside. Now we just need to get some sort of a bid coming in, like I said, with the open interest rallying, and we need a breakout. So ideally, if you look at the price right now, the previous major support level we had, even though it's not that major, was around 900. If you really want to be on the safe side, I would just wait for this trend to break. But if we see that combination, right, so a bullish breakout, which we haven't seen for a very, very long period of time, Friday the 13th, so 10 days ago was the last time. If we see that bullish breakout, in combination with open interest rallying with a positive CVD, which I will also try to keep you updated on, then there's a possibility that dogs get some sort of a short squeeze up or a pump. Until that period of time, I would assume we're bearish. All right, so I still also at this point of time, since we don't have the bullish breakout nor some sort of a open interest pump, I would say it's most likely we're dumping into that level around 750, which is the next major psychological support level. But those are my thoughts for now, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.